This trinket is on my camera all the time and it's so useful. Hi and welcome to Filmmaking and Stuff. I'm Chris. In this video I'm going to tell you all about these trinkets, products, or whatever you want to call them. Because it's a mouthful to say their product name, because it's UU Rig Aluminum Rapid ND Filter Mount Bracket. If you, like me, are serious about moving pictures, then you want to have the shutter speed double your frame rate to get that cinematic motion. And if you're shooting outdoors and want shallow depth of field, then you need to open your aperture, and then you're already at your lowest ISO and the image is totally blown out. Then you need an ND filter. So I got ND filters. ND filters are like sunglasses for your camera. Fine, now you're all set. But then you need to go inside or into the shade, and it's too dark even if you put it on its sort of lowest setting, and you need to unscrew it. When you've done that, the moment has already passed. But with this, you just simply swing it out and, well, you got no ND anymore. It's like built-in ND filters on a cinema camera, even though it's not a cinema camera. I mean, it's just a trinket. If you remember Dwayne Wayne with his iconic flip-up glasses, this is just the same, but for lenses. So you don't have to screw in or screw out the ND filters. Instead, you just screw the ND filter into the URig Aluminum Rapid ND Filter Mount Bracket, and then you screw the URig Aluminum Rapid ND Mount Filter Bracket onto the lens. Try saying that 10 times in a row. And now you have the basic thing like Dwayne. Flip it up. So it's super easy to swing it out and in. You've got the variability with the ND filter, but you also have the possibility to take it off completely. You know, when a product is really great, is you get one and then you realize that you need to get another one because it's so dang good. That's just what happened to me. I got one and I loved it, and I was so frustrated when I didn't have this trinket on my other camera, so I sort of just felt the need to order yet another one. One drawback, however, is it comes with fixed sizes: 49, 58, 72, 77 and 82. I've got 58 millimeters, but this 25 millimeter lens is not a 58 millimeter. It's actually, what does it say? It's 46. So I've got a step-up ring here in order to get it to that place. I've got several lenses that have smaller sizes, so I have purchased the 58 and then step-up rings. It works well, no worries. On this one I have done sort of the opposite. It's a 58 native, but the ND filter is bigger, so I have a step-up ring on the here in order to accommodate the bigger filter, which is a great tip. If you're buying ND filter, buy the one that fits your biggest lens and then use step down or step up rings in order to get it. It saves you some money in the long run. I mean, the smaller ND filters are cheaper, but then you don't need to buy one for each camera. Well, that's basically what I've done, because it's very convenient to have both this hinge thing and a variable ND filter on each lens, so you don't need to swap them out. That's for speed and convenience. Another way to go about it is to get the size of your biggest lens thread and then step up rings for the smaller ones. It might be a bit bulky. Yeah, you should totally buy this. Well, if you're sort of into it, yeah, sure. My highest recommendation. By the way, down in the description there are links to Amazon and Ulanzi. They might be affiliated. I say might because at the time of this recording, the channel is not big enough to be part of any affiliate program. But hopefully in the future this channel has grown big enough to be. And on that note, please subscribe and help me grow this channel so I can continue to make high quality videos for you to enjoy. If the links somedays are affiliated, it simply means that if you buy using my links, I get a small commission. To be clear, I have had no contact with the company Ulanzi. I have bought these products all with my own money, and all my opinions are my own. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up icon. It helps me and the channel a lot. And you know, there's a comment field down below, and it's there for a reason. Please use it, because I respond and read to all messages, at least all civil ones. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now!